beach and all, but thanks. Yeah, I gotta tell you, I'm always flying around to new places, and I can't help myself. I gotta bring 2 or 3 things home, and I'm completely out of room here in the nest, so I don't know, some of these things are gonna have to go. But, oh, but it ain't gonna be this one. You know what this is? This is the Peppo Lippo. Well, great, thanks, guys. I'm never gonna get that song out of my head. Alrighty then. Wow, lots of activity today, huh? Hey, wait, are you leaving? So long. See you later.
Hola, sí, atletas. Dentro del vehículo y vigilen a los gamers. Gracias.
Hello there, my friends. You're about to go under the sea. So, for your safety.
Bienvenidos todos. Están a punto de sumergirse en el mar.
Well, Ariel fell in love with him. Then King Triton got all mad and told Sebastian the crab to watch over them. Then there was lots of dancing and singing. Oh, that was fun. And then, oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. The story began when Ariel fell head over fins in love. Wait, no, it began when King Triton asked Sebastian to keep an eye on Ariel. Wait, no, it began when King Triton got old man and Ursula took Ariel's voice and, whew, I've been working too hard sorting Ariel's human stuff. Nice. That's what this story's all about. Hey, where you been? I've been waiting for you. This is such a great story.
What's this? You've come to a stop. Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this. No time will be better. She won't say a word. She won't say a word until you kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, look like a boy too shy. Ain't gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that side? Ain't it a shame too bad? Ain't gonna miss the girl. Hey, see her sitting there across the room. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why she died to try to wanna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, look like a boy too shy. Rising up to your right. Here you are. You had a wonderful time.